In this video, I will show you how to save and export your Sweet Home 3D projects in different formats. To get started, draw a simple room. Next, add the floor, a door, a window, and some furniture to it. Once it's done, save your project file. To do this, go to the toolbar and click Save Home button, or go to the top menu, select File, and click Save. In this dialog box, select the location, enter a file name, and click Save. If you check the destination folder, you can see that Sweet Home 3D saved projects in the native SH3D format. You can open this file later and continue working on your design. You can also export your floor plan as a PDF file. Before exporting, it's a good idea to check the layout first. Just go to File and select Print Preview. Here, you can see how the PDF will look before exporting. If you want to change the export settings, go to File and click Page Setup. In this dialog box, you can choose what will be included in the PDF file. Note that these settings also apply to standard printing. First, click Page Format. Here, you can adjust the paper size, page orientation, and margins. In the next section, you can choose which elements to include in the file. For example, like the furniture list here, the 2D plan here, or the 3D view. For the 2D plan, you can set a custom scale or a best fit scale. You can also add the header and a footer to the page. If you only want to export the 2D floor plan, just disable the other options. Then click OK. To check the changes, go to File and click Print Preview again. Now you can only find the 2D plan in the preview. To hide this window, just click OK. If everything looks correct, go to the File and click Print to PDF. Choose a file name and click Save. The software will create a PDF version of your floor plan. And here are some tips for better PDF exports. First, if the compass is far away from your building, it can make the exported floor plan smaller or less centered on the page. For a preview, just go to File and click Print Preview. As you can see, your room is pretty small on the page. To avoid this, move the compass closer to your floor plan, or if you don't need it, simply hide it before exporting. To do this, go to the top menu, click Plan, select Modify Compass, and uncheck Visible in Plan. Then click OK. This usually creates a cleaner and perfectly centered floor plan. Furniture can make your floor plan difficult to read. If you need a clean architectural floor plan, just hide the unnecessary furniture. To do this, go to the furniture list and uncheck the visibility box next to the furniture items to hide them. If you have a large floor plan with a lot of furniture, you need a different approach. In this case, press Ctrl+A keys. Next, hold down the Shift key and deselect the windows, doors, and any objects you want to keep visible. Next, right-click and select Modify Furniture. In this dialog box, uncheck Visible, then click OK. Besides furniture, floor materials may also make the plan harder to read. To hide them, double-click on the floor, and here uncheck Display Floor. Then click OK. If you go to File, Print Preview, you can see that your floor plan appears much cleaner. Unfortunately, Sweet Home 3D cannot directly export a floor plan into a JPG image. If you need your floor plan as an image file, just export the floor plan as a PDF, then open this PDF file and take a screenshot or convert the PDF into a JPG image. For this purpose, you can use Window Snipping Tool, Adobe Reader, or any PDF to JPG converter. You can also print your plan directly from Sweet Home 3D. To do this, just go to File and select Print. The printed result will match the layout shown in the Print Preview window. Just select your printer settings and click OK to print your plan. You can also create a high-quality 3D rendered image of your project. As the first step, just adjust the 3D view to the angle you want. Then, go to the toolbar and click Create Photo from 3D View. In this dialog box, you can select the image size, set the quality level, and set the lighting options if needed. When ready, just click Create and wait for the rendering to finish. Once it's done, click Save, enter a file name, and save the image. Besides 3D renderings, you can also create a rendered video animation. To do this, go to the toolbar and click Create a 3D video. In the dialog box, choose the video format, select the quality settings, and adjust the lighting settings if needed. Next, move the visitor to the first position. As the next step, click the red recording button. Now move to the visitor to the next position. Click the red recording button again. Just click Create. After the rendering is finished, you can preview your video with this play button here. If you want to save this video on your computer, then click Save, set the file name, and click Save again. You can also export certain objects or even the complete plan into an OBJ file. To do this, just select the items you want to export, then go to 3D view and choose Export to OBJ format. In this dialog box, set the file name and click Save. Here, if you click Export Selection, The OBJ file will contain only the items you have already selected. If you click Export All, the software will export the complete plan into the OBJ file. This exported OBJ file can be imported into Sweet Home as a furniture item, or you can also import it into other 3D modeling softwares like Blender. To continue learning, check out the next video here. And if you are new, start with the beginner course playlist.